Hello, amazing people. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this particular video, I'm going to show you guys four different ways you can tuck your boss braid, guys. Four different easiest way to tuck your boss braids. When you compare these four that I thought and then the one that I just did normally without tucking, you will clearly see the difference. So in this particular video, I'm going to show you guys four ways I was able to do this. So guys, stick with me to the end of this video where I'm going to show you guys these four different methods, and number three and number four is actually the easiest. To all my returning subscribers, thank you guys so much. If you're here to subscribe, please consider doing that. So this is what I'm going to use. I'm going to be using this blue color extension and of course my parting comb. So let me go ahead and show you guys the first method. So go ahead and part your hair. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and part my hair, and of course I have to clip. You can use clip to do this, or you can use a band to just hold the remaining wall so that it doesn't disturb you while you're braiding. So after giving it a nice comb, I have to cut little parts of the extension, the one I will be working with. So when I cut that, I have to then divide the hair into two, but one has to be bigger than one. Okay, so after doing that, I have to join both of them, like see what I'm doing, just the way you do your normal boss braid. Okay, so now I'm going to boss the hair. Okay, first of all, you have to divide the natural hair into two, just the way your braid, the extension is divided into three. So the natural hair should be divided into three too. Then you braid. Okay, this is the normal boss braid, you know. So this is the first method we are going to use. I'm going to show you guys four different ways. Then the easiest one is actually the third and the fourth one, which even as a beginner you can do that. If you've not done boss braid before, you can actually make use of this third and fourth method. Is very easy. So do not skip this video, so you'll be able to get exact all the values I'm going to drop on this particular video. So this is me starting to talk now. You see what I'm doing? Make sure that the natural hair is well covered with the extension. Okay, so the natural hair should be under the extension. Make sure it's very covered. That's how to talk. Make sure it's very covered, that natural hair is not showing on top of the braids, rather it should be down, okay, beneath the braids. That's how to talk. This is actually the first method. Then when I'm done with this first one, I'll show you guys the next one. You can as well use hair wash to make sure that the natural hair is at a place, like is together, so that it doesn't disturb you while you're talking, but you can still do it without hair wash. As you can see, I'm not making use of any hair wash. So you can see how well it's tucked. You can compare this with the video I showed you guys earlier, the one I just did without talking. The difference is clear. So this is actually the first method. Now let me go ahead and show you guys the second way you can do this. So you can actually use any of these four methods, the one you feel is more comfortable for you. Go ahead and use that. So after parting my hair, this one we are going to be doing the knotless method. Okay, so I just go ahead and start with the natural hair, just braid it once, then I start adding my extension, just the way you do your knotless boss braid. Okay, that's the second method. So because of the fact that we are doing knotless boss braid, it's possible for the natural hair to be visible at the tip. Then once we are done adding our extension, definitely the next is for us to start talking, and from there you can no longer see the natural hair, because make sure it's well tucked. So it's okay for the natural hair to be visible at the tip, because this is actually a knotless boss braid. So I'll keep talking. Make sure your natural hair is well covered with the extension. That's just the secret of tucking your hair very nicely. Make sure it's under, well covered while you braid. So your eye should be on it while you are doing this, because you want to make sure that you did a very nice work, like the braid is well tucked. Okay, so this is the second way. If you know you found any value from this video, or you're finding any value from this video, and at this point you not click that like button, is it that you don't like the video, or you don't like me? Which one? Please like my video. If you're yet to subscribe, please subscribe. I have a whole lot of videos coming your way. If you have any question, please let me know in the comment section. Okay, I'll attend to them. So this is actually the second way to do this. You see, you can only see the natural hair at the tip. Then after that, it is now a well tucked braid with no visible natural hair. So this is the third way you can tuck your hair or tuck your boss braid. So when I part my hair, the next thing I did was to divide the hair into two. You can use a clip to hold one part of the hair, or your comb, just the way I did. So the next thing is to divide your braiding hair into two. Place one of it between the hair you divided. Just place, watch what I'm doing. Place one of it, then go ahead and braid it Bob Marley. Okay, why the extension is beneath the hair. Okay, so just go ahead and braid it. You can decide to braid to the tip, you can still decide to braid it halfway. Any one you do, that's okay. Like I say, this is actually the number one easiest way. Okay, this is for beginners. The first one and the second one I did is for pros, people who have been doing braiding, who have been doing boss braid. But if you are a beginner, you don't know where to start, you have not done boss braid before, you can actually use this third method, or the fourth one I'm going to show you guys. So I'm actually showing you two pro way and then two beginners way. So when you now join, you see how I joined the remaining extension, the one I left behind. Then you start braiding. This one is actually easy. As far as the natural hair is well covered, go ahead and keep braiding. It's very easy. Like I said, it's actually a beginner. If you're a beginner, then I'll advise you to use this method, or the fourth I'm going to show you guys. Why the first two is actually for pros. So guys, if you followed me to this point and you've not liked this video, please go ahead and like the video, comment. For those that have been sharing my video, please go ahead and share my videos. Okay, I appreciate all that. Then this fourth one, you just simply you wrapping the extension around the natural hair. Then when you are done, you have to now divide the hair just for. So you guys to divide the hair into three now, and then start braiding. So while you braid, you talk, make sure the natural hair is well covered. So this is the fourth way, which is actually one of the easiest way, okay, to tuck your braids, guys. So to all my returning subscribers, thank you guys so much. I really appreciate all the shares that people have been sharing my video, all the likes, all the comments. I really appreciate them. If I yet to subscribe to my channel, please consider doing that. I make videos on how to ventilate hair as a beginner, how to make closures, frontals, how to make braided wigs, how to braid your own hair, how to do simple hair hats like this. That's basically what this channel is all about. So when you consider this, the four, okay, the first four I did that I talk, and the one I did not talk, you see clearly the difference. Okay, so this is actually four ways you can tuck your bust braid. Thank you guys for watching, and see you guys in my next upload. Please, if you've not really liked this video, please like the video, comment. If you have any question, let me know in the comment section, and please guys, subscribe. Bye.